Hi everybody, welcome back to Arm Candy. We've got a super cool Mulberry Bayswater to show you today. So if you are a fan of the Bayswater, that classic kind of iconic look of a Mulberry Bayswater, but you're after something a little bit more fun and a little bit more stand out, this is definitely the bag for you. So it is in this gorgeous purple leather. I'll talk you through the features. So we've got double top handles, and then on the bottom we've got 4 base studs, and then attached to the top handles, of course, we've got that mulberry cloche and little padlock in there as well. And then we have that iconic mulberry postman's lock on that flap closure, so I'll open that up and show you inside. So in there we've got suede lining, and again it's in a lovely dark purple colour, and then we've got one zipped pocket at the back, so that zip is a little bit stiff but does work perfectly fine. And then we have one flap pocket here, sorry, get an angle so you can see it, a flap pocket there, and another little flap pocket there as well. And I'll just do that zip back up. And then if I turn it over, you can see we've got those internal buckles, so you can adjust those side gussets as well. The condition of this mulberry we've called good all around, and I'll show you why. I'll just close up that flap closure again. So I'll start off with the corners. You can see those back corners are actually in a fairly good condition. They've got minimal signs of wear to them, so you can see it's got a little bit of marking there and a little bit there, but on the front we've got a little bit more wear to those corners. You can see it's just scuffed a little bit more on that leather on those corners. And then you can also see, if I bring it back and show you, that shape has kind of lost its structure a little bit, which often it happens in mulberry, but it gives it a lovely kind of usable and tactile look. So it doesn't take away from it, I don't think, but you can just see that shape has kind of got a little bit squished. And on the interior, again, we've called that good. There's a few marks just kind of all over that suede, you can see, and along the base as well. I'll try and get it in a light so you can see it. There's just marks along that suede all over on the interior, but there's no kind of tears or rips or anything like that. It's still in a very sturdy condition on the inside. And then the hardware, I'll show you those base studs again. You can see they're just starting to scratch, but actually they still have quite a lot of that shiny gold tone, but they are just starting to show some wear. And then the postman's lock underneath has got a fair bit of scratching and scuffing to it, but you can see on that bit as well. But on the actual mulberry plaque, which you can see when you've closed it on the outside, there's actually only really hairline scratches on there, so that's still in a lovely, nice condition. You can see that mulberry tree, and you can see that lovely gold tone still very nicely. So that is why we've called this Bayswater good all around. I'll show you what it comes with. So we've just got a dust bag to keep it protected. So we've got an aquascutum dust bag as well. If you wanted to know the exact measurements of this bag, you can go to the link in the description below. That's the link to shop this mulberry, so it should hopefully take you directly to this bag on our website. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold, but what you can do is you can get on our request list. So if you really love this, let us know, send us through an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. And what we will do, we'll pop you on our request list for this bag, and as soon as we get in another one like it, we will let you know, and then hopefully the next time we get one in, you can get in there nice and quickly. So that's the request list. As I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", if that's any help. And you can pop it on your arm like that. That's just a lovely big size. You can definitely fit all your day-to-day needs in there. Just got that classic Mulberry Bayswater look, but again, it's just something a little bit more fun with the colour. So If you wanted more details on this bag, again, go to the link in the description below. While you're on our website, sign up to our newsletter and we'll send you through your welcome discount code, which you can use on your first purchase with us. Also, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and have a look at the How to Sell With Us page on our website. So if you've got any bags like this one that you'd like to sell with Arm Candy Bag Co, we'd love to see what you have for us. So have a read through the process on there and we'll see you later with some more Arm Candy.